Hello, everybody. I hope you're having an amazing day today. Today, we're going to talk about how to use the I am affirmations correctly for your advantage. Some of the most definite statements we can use begin with I am. And that's why a lot of us don't even know that we're creating our reality because we're constantly saying, I am sick, or I am this, or I am that, or I am broke, or whatever it is. Recognize what you're saying. Whatever you start the sentence as is I am, you're bringing to you. So you don't want anything negative. You want them positive. Be conscious of what you're saying. When you say, I am prosperous, I am abundant, I am receiving all good things, I am healthy, I am well, you're bringing more abundance and prosperity towards you. Your words are just random. You don't want them random. And for years, we all do this throughout our lives. We're bringing just not what we want to manifest into our lives. Just listen to a person, how they speak. They'll say, I am sick. I am not feeling well. I am depressed. I am down. Okay, you've got to change this or you will be depressed and down and sick. Change the mindset. Work on your mindset. Work on your words. Write them down. These are affirmations. I am prosperous. I am abundant. I am well. I am healthy. I am receiving every good thing. I am receiving miracles in my life. I am receiving a windfall. I am receiving $50,000 unexpected income. Also notice your vibration, your emotions, and everything. Talking this way may seem out of the ordinary to you at first, but remember that the more you do it, then it's going to feel more natural and you'll get used to it. And that's how you write your affirmations also. Make sure that they're I am statements. I am prosperous. I am expecting new clients today. I am expecting good things to happen to me today. Write them like that. Put them on little sticky notes and put them all over your house where you're usually at. I have some on my microwave, and that's where I go to heat up my coffee. You could put them in your bathroom, on the mirror, just so it's a reminder, hey, be positive today. Let's say these affirmations. Say them in the shower. There's a lot of power in the power of water. So just do them and make sure that you're I ams and be conscious of how you speak today, because everything can catch us off guard. During the day, you may have a conversation with people and they're saying they are or I am whatever, and it will catch you off guard. And before you know it, you're in a griping section and you're saying, I am this also. You don't want to do that. Try to avoid getting involved in conversations that are going to lead you in a negative way. Yesterday, I had this happen, and I had to actually ask the person if we could talk about something more positive. It was a challenge for me. So many of us will find that in our lives. So we need to consciously redirect, and in a positive way. And if you can, if you're speaking to someone else, redirect them also. They don't really realize what they're saying either, but you can redirect the conversation. Well, that being said, I love you all. God bless you all, and may you manifest your dreams today. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.